Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Northern Ontario at 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, October 31st, 2013. Rain warning is continued for North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa, and West Nipissing, French River. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, October 31st, 2013. Rain warning is continued for Western Algonquin Park, Lake of Two Rivers, Bayfield Inlet, Dunchurch, South River, Burkes Falls. A wind warning is issued for South River, Burkes Falls. A wind warning is continued for Bayfield Inlet, Dunchurch.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le nord de l'Ontario à 15h40, heure avancée de l'Est, le jeudi 31 octobre 2013. Un avertissement de pluie est maintenu pour North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa et Nipissing West, French River. Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud de l'Ontario à 15h25, heure avancée de l'Est, le jeudi 31 octobre 2013.